I'm gonna get so lucky all the time because of this.
This is gonna be your get me laid dish. Hey guys, you're watching Quickies with the Bare Naked Chef, brought to you by Scruff. And I'm waiting for my special guest to arrive any minute now. Maddelynn!
Hello! How are you? Mwah.
Thank you so much for coming.
What are you doing here?
I need your help, and I'm preparing a dinner for Scruff Date that is coming by in like 2 hours.
Okay.
He's one of your biggest fans. Oh girl, look at you. So I wanted to surprise him and make him a really special dinner. So you know what we're making?
What are we making?
Lobster tail. We've got one package of dried gnocchi, which
I'm sorry.
go ahead and say it. Gnocchi, which is a potato dumpling, Italian potato dumpling. We've got some delicious tomatoes here. They're so ripe and red and juicy. Come on, I'm gonna show you pictures. He's worth it, right? Here, you hold on to that. So this is what we're gonna do to get started. I'm gonna throw some olive oil in this pan. And then I'm gonna chop up this lobster tail. That's okay, you can get distracted. Crack down the middle. Then we're just gonna drop this lobster in there. Ooh. Sizzle. Gonna take a garlic clove.
Okay.
Smash it. Throw that in there. So tell me, what's going on with you?
You know, I'm just living that New York hustle life.
How's that going
Giving
for you?
shows and fashions and beauty. It smells so good.
Then we're gonna throw these beautiful tomatoes in. I'm gonna chop them up.
Okay. I was just gonna ask. I just freshly super glued these to my nails, so I don't wanna ruin my
I don't wanna get any
manicure. Oh my god, this smells so good. I'm so hungry.
You're hungry?
I'm totally hungry.
Balls to the wall, make it delicious.
You're just so dangerous. I'm gonna get so lucky all the time because of this.
This is gonna be your get me laid dish. I'm gonna add a little bit of this white wine just to deglaze the bottom of the pan.
With the alcohol in the wine, does that like cook out?
It evaporates, yeah.
Weird.
So you can feed it to a toddler if you wanted to. Just make sure that the alcohol is all cooked out.
I'm not using this for toddlers.
Can you do that?
You're giving me a sharp object?
Yeah.
Are
you capable?
Yeah.
Your boobs are so...
Made of foam.
It's all an illusion.
So do you have any upcoming gigs? Any events?
I do a weekly show at the Ritz on 46 and 9. Every Wednesday, I produce that. I book the talent.
I love the Ritz.
Yeah, the Ritz is an amazing place. I've been there for 7 years. It's like home. We have 2 shows at 12:30 and 2:30, or 12:30 and 2, and then I do another show at Rebar in Chelsea on Sundays. Okay,
That's
cute.
perfect, girl.
Fierce.
You did an amazing job.
I did good?
Yeah, I'm gonna just toss these in.
Can't wait till we fuck with the gnocchi.
The gnocchi are going in the water, and these only take like 2 minutes to cook.
Really?
So I'm gonna dump them in. Those are made with boiled, pressed potatoes.
And they're pressed. Okay.
Some flour, some salt.
Cool.
And then they're rolled.
Gnocchi.
Gnocchi.
It's actually kind of close.
It is really close. Is he the builder?
Give me your gnocchi. Oh, you're putting it in.
We're gonna put it in the sauce. So, this is such an easy, simple, sophisticated meal you can make for a day.
Sophisticated. I've never been called that before. Clearly, you've had a couple. Oh my god.
Come take a look at that.
God.
Oh my god.
Delicious, right?
Oh my god, it's so good.
You think he's gonna like it?
Oh my god, you're gonna love it. You're getting late tonight, bro.
Cha-ching!
You better work. Yeah.
Thanks for coming, Maddelynn. I really enjoyed having you cook with me today.
Thank you for having me.
See you next time.
Bye.